everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete Wise account on your device. So to get started, let's open Wise account on your Chrome browser. So here it will show you this interface. Now log in your account. Here it will navigate you to this interface. Now tap on profile icon as shown here. And here you can see setting option. Tap on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Here scroll down until you find close your account. So here it is. Click on it. Close button. Now before you go, tell why you are leaving. Tick on the reason and tap on close account, and here click on continue with account. Continue with account closer, and now click on close account. So in this way you can close Wise account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.